Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new weighted vest. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending off reviews. Let's go take a look at them. As you can see, each plate comes well protected in their own wrapping, clearly marked with the weight on the front. These are the 5.75 pound plates, but they're also available in 8.75 and 13.75 pounds. If you want to scale up, right now you can see the curved ergonomic design and the bright colored coating, which helps you grab the right weight quickly. The surface has a smooth powder coating that resists scratching and makes them easy to clean after work. Now that they're out of the box, you can see the details better. The rounded corners protect the vest from wear and tear, and the steel is structural grade, built to handle sweat, repeated movement, and even outdoor conditions without corroding. The curve is designed to hug your torso so the weight stays evenly distributed instead of poking or shifting around. The orange color is for the 5.75 pounds. The other weights levels use different colors so you can identify them instantly. They're slim enough to slide into most standard weight vests, but still feel solid and heavy. Here I'm sliding the plates into my weighted vest. The smooth edges make loading quick and easy so you can spend less time adjusting and more time training. Because the plates are curved, they line up with the vest pockets without bunching or creating hot spots. This design helps keep the vest balanced on both sides of your body. Once they're in place, they stay secure even when you're moving. Once they're in place, they stay secure even if you're moving or bending. This is important for anyone who's had flat plates shift or slide during a workout. These really lock in and stay put. With both plates loaded, here's how the vest fits. The ergonomic curve makes a difference right away. It hugs my back instead of digging in. This means more comfort during longer sessions or while doing dynamic movements. You also get even weight distribution across your torso so your shoulders don't feel lopsided or pinched. Whether you're using lighter or heavier plates, the goal is the same. Add resistance without restricting your range or motion. Now I'm outside walking my dog Millie, wearing the vest with both plates installed. This shows how these plates work beyond just gym workout. The curved steel and secure fit make it comfortable for functional training like walking, hiking, or even yard work. So if you guys are looking for some new weighted vest plates, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all could get yours. Highly recommend.